am at Newport Beach. I'm at the Wedge. So we parked at Balboa Island, took the ferry over, and rode down the boardwalk and down some different alleys to get to the Wedge, which is the end of Newport Beach. Here, I'm going to show you. Let me flip the camera around. There we go. There we go. Okay, so this is the end of Newport Beach. And there's a jetty here. There's a channel beyond that jetty that goes out to sea. But this is where the waves hit against the jetty in a certain way and come back and form 20 feet and higher waves here on a regular basis. Now through October you cannot have surfboards here. It's just your body and the waves, your body and some fins and your bravery. It's in between sets right now. There's just a few swimmers out there. I'm going to show you how this wave forms. And these waves today are probably, okay, here comes the set. You see how that's building? Oh my gosh. It's going to be a good set. No one's in line to catch that one. Let's just sit and watch for a little bit. A shore break, so it can get quite treacherous if the waves are such that they're 20 to 40 feet. Then often there are professional photographers here because they're catching images for surf magazines and so on. Today they're not expecting it to be big, so you can see the lifeguard is sitting there just watching with his walkie-talkie. Yeah, on a really big day, there's also going to be an ambulance here. So this day, it looks like it's about, I'd say 12 to 20 feet on the big sets. Still pretty terrifying to be out there and in it. You have to be very experienced. So. Okay, here comes another set. Let's see if anybody's going to go for it, and then I'll turn this off and just watch for a while. So I'm looking down. It just occurs to me. The reason they don't look very big is I'm looking down. If I go closer, which I'm not going to recommend, but I'm going to go a little bit closer. That wave right there is probably 25 feet easy. It's big. Oh, lifeguard's making me go backwards. Thank you. Just kicked me off from being too close. It's too dangerous to be that close. I want to catch somebody getting a good ride before I let you go. Come on, guys. There goes somebody. Oh. And there he is, popped up. It's a very short ride. All right, I'm going to let you go. Y'all have a good day, and I will talk to you later. If I can, I'll show you some of what we're doing on our ride. But for now, bye-bye.